Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and today this is a how-to video for replacing the storage locks on your camper. And this will apply to any kind of travel trailer, fifth wheel, equestrian, horse trailer, any kind of cam lock trailer in particular. And this is replacing a standard key set, CH751. This is pretty standard on any kind of camper trailer, fifth wheel, you name it. These universal locks are on just about anything. So if you want to make sure that your stuff is safe, you're gonna wanna make sure you change these locks out. So I've gone ahead and ordered some MKing cylinder locks on Amazon. You can buy them all keyed alike, all keyed differently, anything to your preference. They come in 2 packs. I've only got 3 that I'm replacing, but that way I've got an extra one just in case for the future. So the first thing we're gonna do is remove the existing lock and then install the new one. For this project, all you're gonna need is a simple screwdriver and a crescent wrench to remove this. All right, so let's get started. We'll go ahead and walk through the steps on changing this one out. First thing you're gonna do is use a Phillips or flathead screwdriver to remove this lever here, so that you can slide the cylinder out. Next up, we'll loosen this nut here. It's around the cylinder holding it in place. Okay, so now we should be able to just slide it out the front. Like that. The pull tab will go on first on the cylinder, and then beneath it, the collar. Just like that. Slide it in place here with the lock facing up. Now this piece has got some teeth, but you want those teeth to go towards the door, and that's what keeps it in place from the cylinder turning. We'll take our nut, thread it over. Make sure your pull tab is standing straight up. Do this. Put this piece on so it keeps the lock stopped at 90 degrees. So since it's locked, it should be like this, the left side. And we can't forget to put this on facing straight up. Like that. We can thread our nut on. Get it snugged up. See how it's turned there? I want to make sure that the cylinder is not turned. Test it out and see if it locks. Alright, so it seems to be fitting good. Sometimes you'll notice you'll get a little bit of play in there like this had, and sometimes it's associated to this metal flange getting a little bit bent. You could take a hammer and slightly tap it back into place to get it adjusted a little bit tighter. So you can see there, it's kind of gotten bent a little bit. And that's what I meant by adjusting it. So if you know if it's straight and you're not having any issues, you don't want to bend it. But if you're having a little bit of play in there, it just could be from extra wear on that lock. So you just take a hammer and just tap it back into place. No play. So one little trick here, if you want to make sure that you're turning all of your locks the same direction, it's this little piece right here is what determines that. So if you want to turn all of them the same direction, you simply just need to put this the same direction as the others. And one way to do it is to flip it inverted here. Like so. Alright, now you just reapply your tab just like the others, and we should be good to go. If you enjoyed this video, please smash down the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Post your questions and comments below. If you enjoy this content and want to see more, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.